In today's video, I'd like to take a more in-depth look at what exosomes are and how they are currently being used in advanced skincare and aesthetic practice. EXOBLOOM acts as avatars of cells, giving old cells what they need to regenerate, rejuvenate, and improve themselves. It also contains growth factors, anti-inflammatory cytokines, and genetic materials that help to maintain collagen synthesis and repair damaged cells. From a dermatological perspective, this signaling capability is what makes exosomes particularly interesting. They are commonly used in aesthetic settings to help support the skin barrier, modulate visible inflammatory responses, enhance the skin's intrinsic repair mechanisms. EXOBLOOM exosome formulations are designed to help regulate the skin microenvironment, which in turn may improve the efficiency of cellular self-repair processes. In addition, when we look at skin tone and radiance, exosomes may help influence the appearance of pigmentation by supporting skin renewal pathways and the distribution of melanin within the epidermis, contributing to a brighter and more even-looking complexion over time. Each treatment contains a concentration of approximately 5 billion exosomes and is typically applied to the face and neck. In clinical practice, this is often combined with microneedling or derma roller techniques, where the treatment area is divided into approximately 4 to 5 sections, and the solution is applied progressively to support uniform distribution and absorption. In terms of clinical experience, outcomes can vary depending on individual skin condition, but effects are often observed progressively, with a duration that may last approximately 2 to 4 months. If you're interested in learning more about EXOBLOOM exosome solutions, including clinical protocols, product details, or pricing, you're welcome to contact me via WhatsApp. The link is provided in the description.